Hi everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming class. Now we see the topic on super keyword and method overriding in Java. Please use headphone for better audio quality. The first one, super keyword. Suppose when a variable in a subclass has the same name as a variable in the superclass, the variable defined in the superclass is shadow. That means both the base class and derived class have the same variable name. To access the value of the shadowed variable, we use a super keyword. So syntax for the super keyword is for variable name, syntax equal to super dot variable name. So consider one example, class 1. Here the class 1 contains only one variable, int a equal to 10. Then next one, class 2 extends 1. Here 1 is base class, 2 is derived class. In class 2, I declare the same variable int a equal to 20. That means a variable is declared in both base class as well as derived class. That means the base class variable is shadowed. Okay. Then next one, method in second class, void display system.out.println a. Then system.out.println super.a. The second class definition over. The next one, main class test super, public static void main string argument. Next one, 2 space t1 equal to new2. That means you are creating the objects for the class 2. Then t1 dot display. But t1 dot display means control transfer to the void display function. Then first print the function system.out.println means it prints a derived class variable name equal to, that is value equal to 20. The next statement is system.out.println super.a means it prints a base class variable name, the output equal to 10. That means, for example, if you want to access the base class variable means we have to use the keyword super keyword. The next one, method overriding. The same for variable name, same variable name present in both the base class and derived class means we have to use the super keyword dot variable name. So like that's the same function name, that is same method name present in both base class and derived class means that concept is called as a method overriding. Same method may be present in both base and derived class. The method in the super class will be overridden. Only the method in the subclass will be executed by default. This concept is known as the overriding. So consider the same example, class 1. The class 1 contains one method, that is void display system.out.println hello. The display function, that is for display function for displaying the message hello. The second class 2 extends 1. Here 1 is the base class. Here also one function is available, void display system.out.println hi. Then next one, display. That means the second class is derived class, its corresponding base class is 1. Here the display function is defined both the base class as well as derived class. This concept is called as the method overriding. So next we go with the main class test super, public static void main string argument. Next we have to create the object for the second class, 2 space t1 equal to new2. Next t1 dot display. Now the control transfer to the derived class function name display. Then display the message hi first. Hi. Then next you call the function display means it is not calling the base class display. Again it is calling the derived class display function. That means the output of the function is the same hi will be printed infinity times. Next one, how to avoid this problem by using the super keyword. The next one, method overriding. So to access the overridden method by using the super keyword, the syntax equal to super dot method name bracket argument list. Super dot method name is it represents the base class method name. Here the argument list is an optional one. The same program, class 1 same, class 2 extends 1, void display system.out.println hi, then super dot display. Here super dot display means control transfer to the base class function display. Okay. Here the remaining coding are same. Now the output equal to t1 dot display means control transfer to the derived class display function. First it display print the message hi, then super dot display control transfer to the base class display function print the message hello. The next one, difference between overloading and overriding. Overloading, two methods in the same class will have the same name but different parameter list. But same method in overriding means same method declared in both base class and derived class. They should also have the same return type. So overloading exists only one class. Overriding exists more than one class. Now we conclude the session. Here today we discussed about the super keyword. Super keyword is mainly used for accessing the base class variable and the base class methods. So thank you. Thanks for watching.